Hi there, this is just a quick follow-up from my last caning video. I wanted to show you how I went about designing that blue and white cane. Here in the app you can see that I've experimented with quite a few different designs. You can draw your design and then you can visualize how it might look if you put it together as a kaleidoscope cane. So here I'm pressing the plus button to create a new design, and you can add your own color recipes if you like, but for this one I'm just going to add some basic clay colors. I think I used Primo White and Ultramarine Blue, so I'm just adding those two colors to the design. And for each color you can use it as a fill or as a pencil. So I'm going to fill that triangle with the ultramarine because I started with a block of ultramarine blue, and then I'm going to draw my lines. I'm going to click the pencil on the white clay and then draw my lines in. And of course I did spend quite a bit of time working on this design, so I know exactly what the design looks like. But the nice thing about this designer is you can keep adding things or taking things away and then visualize what it might look like when you put it together. It's interesting how, small blank spots on a triangle cane can make a kaleidoscope cane less interesting. So you can see here I made a little, it was a little bit messy and I didn't like it, so I'm pressing the undo button to undo the last few lines and then I can redraw it. Now I'm going to press the little I button and we can see how it will look when it's put together. It's interesting how different it looks, if you take that triangle and put it together in different ways. So once you decide which design you like the best, you can click on the download button and that will save those images to your photos directory, and you can use that to put the cane together. So check out my previous video where you can see me actually put this cane together if you haven't already seen it. Thanks for watching.